Now come to question number 7. Simplify these expressions and find their values if x is equal to 3, a equal to -1, b equal to -2. See the solution. First part, 3x -5 minus x plus 9. Here solve it. Collect the like terms. 3x minus x minus 5 plus 9. You will get 3x minus x. It is 2x minus 5 plus 9. It is plus 4. Here put x is equal to 3. What will you get? 2 into 3 plus 4. Solve this. 2 into 3, 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, it is 10. This is your answer. Now come to second part. It is 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. Here again solve it. Collect the like terms. Minus 8x plus 4x plus 2 plus 4. Minus 8x plus 4x, you will get minus 4x plus 2 plus 4, it is 6. Now put x is equal to 3. What will you get? Minus 4 into 3 plus 6. Solve this. Minus 4 into 3, it is minus 12 plus 6. Minus 12 plus 6, it is minus 6. This is your answer. Now come to third part. It is 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Here again collect the like terms. You will get 3a minus 8a plus 5 plus 1. Solve this. 3 minus 8, it is minus 5 minus 5a plus 5 plus 1, it is 6. Now put a equal to minus 1. Solve this. It is minus 5. Value of a is minus 1 plus 6. Open the bracket. Minus 5 into minus 1. It is 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. It is 11. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. It is 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Solve this. Collect the like terms. It is minus 3b minus 5b plus 10 minus 4. Here solve this. Minus 3b minus 5b, it is minus 8b plus 10 minus 4, it is 6. Here put b equal to minus 2. What will you get? Minus 8, replace b by minus 2 plus 6. You will get minus 8 into minus 2, it is 16 plus 6 equal to 16 plus 6, it is 22. This is your answer. Now come to fifth part. It is 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. Here collect the like terms. It is 2a plus a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5. Solve it. 2a plus a, it is 3a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5, it is minus 9. Now put a equal to minus 1 and b equal to minus 2. What will you get? 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 9. Solve this. 3 into minus 1, it is minus 3 minus 2 into minus 2, it is plus 4 minus 9. Minus 3 minus 9, it is minus 12 plus 4. Minus 12 plus 4, it is minus 8. This is your answer. Come to question number 8. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 within the bracket z minus 10. See the solution. Question number 8. First part. It is z cube minus 3 z minus 10. Here put z equal to 10. What will you get? It is 10 cube minus 3. Value of z is 10 minus 10. Solve this. 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1000 minus 3 into 10 minus 10. It is 0. It is 1000 minus 3 into 0. It is 0. 1000 minus 0. It is 1000. And this is your answer. Now second part. It is p square minus 2p minus 100. Here put p equal to minus 10. What will you get? Replace p by minus 10. You will get minus 10 whole square minus 2 into minus 10 minus 100. Solve this. Minus 10 raised power 2 means minus 10 into minus 10. It is 100 minus 2 into minus 10. It is minus 20. The minus minus plus. It is plus 20 minus 100. Here 100 and minus 100 will be cancelled. What we left? It is 20. This is your answer. Now come to question number 9. What should be the value of a if value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5 when x is equal to 0? See the solution of question number 9. It is 2x square plus x minus a. It is equivalent to 5. This is according to question. Here put the value of x. X is equal to 0. What will you get? 2 0 square plus 0 minus a equal to 5. The 0 square, it is 0. 0 into 2, it is 0 plus 0 minus a equal to 5, or it is minus a equal to 5. Here shift minus sign from left hand side to right hand side. What will you get? A equal to minus 5. Therefore, value of a equal to minus 5. This is your answer. Now come to question number 10. Simplify the expression and find its values when a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 3. See the solution. It is 2 a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. Here open the bracket. You will get 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Here collect the like terms. You will get 2a square plus 2ab minus ab plus 3. Solve it. 2a square plus 2ab minus ab. It is plus ab plus 3. Now put a equal to 5, b equal to minus 3. What will you get? 2. Replace a by 5 whole square plus a is 5, b is minus 3 plus 3. Solve it. 5 square means 25. 25 into 2, it is 50. 5 minus 3, it is minus 15 plus 3. Here 50 plus 3, it is 53 minus 15. Now 53 minus 15 equal to 38. This is your answer. Thank you.